Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and thought, I want to change, but I don't know if I can? Maybe you have tried before. Maybe you started with motivation. You exercised for 2 days. You ate healthy food for 3 days. And then you stopped. But what if motivation is not the secret? What if the real secret is something much stronger? Willpower. Today, I want to tell you a story about a boy who discovered the magic of willpower. His name was Daniel. Daniel was a kind and friendly boy, but he was overweight. He did not like looking at himself in the mirror. At school, some boys often made fun of him. One day, during lunch, Daniel was walking across the schoolyard when he heard someone laugh. "Look, here comes Daniel!" Another boy said. "Daniel, are you going to eat the whole cafeteria today?" Everyone laughed. Daniel tried to smile, but inside, he felt terrible. He looked down at the ground and walked away. When he got home, he went straight to his bedroom. He stood in front of the mirror. For a few seconds, he said nothing. Then he whispered, "I don't want to live like this anymore." That night, Daniel made a decision. I will change. But making a decision was easy. Keeping that decision was much harder. The next morning, Daniel woke up early. He wanted to exercise, but his bed felt comfortable. His body felt tired. A voice in his head said, "Stay in bed. You can start tomorrow." Daniel almost listened to that voice. Then he remembered the boys laughing at him. He got out of bed. He put on his shoes, and he went outside. His first run was terrible. After only 5 minutes, he was breathing heavily. His legs hurt. He wanted to stop. But Daniel told himself, just 1 more minute. 1 minute became 2. 2 became 5. And finally, he finished his first run. It was not a great workout, but it was a great victory. Because Daniel had won his first battle, not against his body, against his own excuses. The next day, he exercised again, then again. Some days were easy. Some days were extremely difficult. There were mornings when Daniel wanted to quit. There were days when he ate unhealthy food and felt disappointed in himself. But he learned something important. Willpower does not mean that you never feel weak. Willpower means you continue even when you feel weak. After 1 month, Daniel noticed a small change. His clothes felt a little looser. After 3 months, he became stronger. After 6 months, people started noticing. "Daniel, you look different!" But Daniel was not finished. He continued exercising. He learned about healthy food. He slept better. And most importantly, he stopped depending on motivation. He depended on his decision. 1 year later, Daniel stood in front of the same mirror. But this time, he smiled. He had become fit and strong. His body had changed. His face had changed. But the biggest change was inside his mind. He looked at himself and said, "I did it." The boys who once laughed at him were surprised when they saw him. But Daniel did not laugh back. He did not insult them. He simply smiled and walked away. Because Daniel had learned that his real victory was not having 6-pack abs. His real victory was becoming the person he once thought he could never become. So, remember this. You don't need to change your whole life in 1 day. You only need to win 1 small battle today. Get up, take 1 step, do 1 difficult thing, and tomorrow, do it again. Because motivation may disappear, but willpower can keep you moving. Your future self is waiting for the person you decide to become today. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English while listening to inspiring stories like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who needs motivation today. And tell me in the comments, what is 1 thing you will not give up on? Keep listening, keep learning, keep moving forward, and never underestimate the magic of willpower.